Hello everyone. So here's how you're going to add image or images in your Wix editor. Okay, so if you have chosen a template from where you can edit your website from, so you just okay, so you just choose the template that you believe is the right template for your website. Okay, so let's choose this one, edit, and it will bring you to another tab. Just wait for it to respond. So it will take you some time to respond, but it will surely do. Okay, so here's the template now. So how are you going to add an image or images? So you just have to look at the sidebar of the screen right here. Okay, and then search for the media icon right here. Just click it, and if the image is coming from your computer, you will have to click this icon, upload media. Okay, and then it says upload from the computer. Just click it, and it will automatically bring you to your computer. Just locate the image and double click it, and it will automatically be uploaded. Well, it will take some time to upload, but it will surely do again. Okay, so here's your image. Okay, and then click it and click add to page. Okay, so here's the image now. Okay, so if you would like to replace this photo, so you just click it and press delete from your keyboard. Okay, and place the picture. You can even resize it. Okay, so that's how you're going to add an image or images to your Wix editor. So if you find this video helpful, please click like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.